Mururumo wa ndege no irirokire gukura kuma kiharo-ini kia ndege gia Kigali bururi-ini wa Rwanda ikuite athii nginyagia kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta guku Nairobi rwambitie kururumura mwihoko hari makiri ma andu aria maroritwo ni mawira mao ihinda ria thiku 130 riria thabari cia athii cia ndege cia rugamirio.
Kuma airport oingira he handu hena mathabuni ma gwithamba moko na haria wagirwo ni gubanga raini ri ni mandikite haria mundu agirwo ni kurugama niguo hagakorwo hena distance jiganu gatagati ka we na uria wi mbere yaku na uria wi thutha waku na same case na haria andu maraikara thi hako ni ndigua ngitiritwo.
We did the test on Wednesday. We collected the certificate on Friday. Yeah, we've got it here. Yeah, we are all equipped. It's very strict measures. It is a serious thing.
Passengers from countries which are considered COVID-19 transmission high risk will be required to quarantine either in a government designated facility or at home.
Ruhonge rwa urimi ni rumwe rwa honge iria icoketie muoyo ni kuhurwo cabi gwa thabari ici cia ndege kuona ruhonge ruru no hindi ruracokereria thutha wa thabari cia mirigo gwitikirio ciumia 2 hituku amu mabururi maingi ni makanjire thabari cia ndege kumana na gutamba gwa COVID-19.
Inamaanisha kwamba bidhaa za Wakenya aswa chakula na maua zinafikishwa kwa wakati ambao unaofaa, na aswa pia inamaanisha wale ambao ni wafanyikazi wanaweza safiri na kupatana ili waweze kumaliza biashara ambayo ilikuwa imeanza.
So let me thank very much the Kenya Airways staff for their resilience, for hanging in there and for their good nature through the whole time.
Gucokereria gwa thabari ici cia ndege cia gukua athii kuraritie wiguano gatagati ga Kenya na Tanzania thutha wa thirikari ya Tanzania gukanja thabari cia kambuni ya Kenya Airways riera-ini ria bururi ucio ni undu wa bururi ucio kwaga gwikirwo itari-ini ria mabururi maria metikiritio kurehe kana kugira athii guku bururi-ini.
There is absolutely no diplomatic issue between Nairobi and Dar es Salaam or Dodoma. We have a fantastic diplomatic relationship between Kenya and Tanzania.
I agree with the Minister for Transport to Tanzania. We shall be making this announcement that indeed we've met by virtual meeting this morning and we have agreed on all issues and that advisory which was given by Tanzania Civil Aviation Authority yesterday, we believe by the end of the day it will be reversed.
Mamwe ma mawatho maria magathikirwo athii ni aria maraingira guku bururi-ini kuonania marua matakiritie kiumia kimwe makumatheria ati matire na murimu wa COVID-19 kandi ina cionereria nginyaniru cia kuria muthii araikara kungikinya ati muthii umwe ni onekana na COVID-19 thutha wa thabari muthii uri thurimagwo ni arigitani haro-ini ici cia ndege na kuonekana na ithimi cia iguru cia urugari ndaritikiragio kuingira ndege-ini kuma guku bururi-ini undu umwe na mawatho ma muthii na uria ungi kuraihaniriria mari ndege-ini hamwe na gwikira mask. Kurumirirwo kwa mawatho maria magathikirwo ruhonge ruru rwa ukui oriri thabari cia athii cia kuma na kuingira nja wa bururi ciambiriirie nikuo gugutwithania kana ruhonge ruru ni ruguthie na mbere kuhingurwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta kaunti ya Nairobi njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.